You pull a golden chicken from the oven, expecting crisp skin, but it's soft, rubbery, or even soggy. You followed the recipe, used high heat, maybe even patted it dry. Yet, that satisfying crackle is missing. Most home cooks blame insufficient heat or not drying the skin enough. They think a quick wipe with a paper towel is enough. But the real problem isn't just surface moisture. It's the hidden water trapped directly under the skin. Chicken skin is a barrier, but it's not impermeable. As the chicken cooks, moisture from the meat escapes and gets trapped between the skin and the muscle. This steam then boils the underside of the skin, preventing it from ever getting truly crisp. It's like trying to fry food in a sealed bag of water. Restaurants understand this internal moisture dynamic. They often separate the skin slightly from the meat, sometimes even air drying the whole bird for hours or overnight in a cold environment. This creates a small air gap, allowing steam to escape and the skin to dry out completely, both inside and out, before it even sees heat. At home, before seasoning, gently slide your fingers under the skin, especially over the breast and thighs, to loosen it from the meat. This small space will allow the steam to vent instead of getting trapped. Then, pat the exterior skin thoroughly dry. You'll see the skin start to crisp much earlier in the cooking process, turning deeply golden and shatteringly crisp. That soft, flabby skin isn't a cooking mistake. It's a moisture trap you can easily avoid.